Hey everyone, welcome. I'm Natalie, protective hairstylist. I'm going to give you some tips on how to achieve this DIY large passion twist protective style. Okay, starting off with blow dried hair. This is very important, guys, because it makes it easier to twist and it will help the hair not to stick out of the twist. So I parted my hair into 3 sections and I rubber band 4 rows of boxes in the back. Okay, the boxes are not all the same exact size. Don't even worry about that, guys. Some are smaller than others. It's okay. Once all the twists are in, nobody's even gonna notice. Okay, so I did the same thing on the left side, 4 rows of boxes. And I did the same thing on the right side. 4 rows of boxes. All right, I am ready to twist. I'm using my favorite gel, Shine and Jam gel, and I'm raking it through my hair. This also will help my hair not to stick out of the twist. Okay, I am using Free Tress Water Wave in color number 27, 22 inches. I'm here pulling the hair with my crochet stick underneath the rubber band. And now I'm going to split my hair in 2 and I'm going to twist. I only put 3 strands per twist in this back row. That's going to change, guys. Okay, I twist it tight at the root, but once my real hair ends, I start twisting it loosely. I think it looks better when it's twisted loosely. Okay, done with 1 row. Next rows, I will use 4 strands per twist. Okay, here's a close-up look. Okay, for the edges, I'm going to go back to 3 strands because my edges are fragile and I don't want too much weight on them. All right, I am halfway done. See, I hardly even noticed that these boxes are different sizes. It don't matter. So for the rest of my head, I'll be using color number 4. Now, pulling all 4 strands at once kept tangling. So, as you can see, so I suggest 2 at a time. Like pull 2 strands through, then another 2 strands through, and then twist. All done. Here's the back. All right, yay. Thank you for watching, everyone. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.